Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good habits on guitar. Starting strong with daily practice is crucial for guitarists of all levels. Dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to your instrument. Begin by warming up with scales and chords for about 5 minutes, ensuring your fingers are ready. Always use a metronome to develop precise timing and a strong rhythmic foundation. Consistency, even in short bursts, builds lasting skill. Smart practice strategies make a huge difference in your progress. When learning new material, break it down into small, digestible chunks. Focus on mastering each section slowly and accurately before gradually increasing your tempo. A fantastic tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back helps you pinpoint mistakes and observe your improvement over time. This focused approach maximizes your learning efficiency. Staying motivated and consistent is key to long-term guitar success. Set clear, achievable goals, both short-term like mastering a new chord, and long-term such as learning a full song. Always include songs you truly love in your practice. This keeps the process fun and engaging. Consider finding a practice partner or joining a local jam session for extra encouragement and new perspectives. To truly develop good habits, it's equally important to avoid common pitfalls. Always be mindful of your posture and hand positioning to prevent unnecessary tension or potential injury. Resist the urge to rush through challenging sections. Slow, deliberate practice yields far better results. Remember, you don't need excessive force when fretting notes. A light, precise touch is usually all that's required for clear tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.